I hate it, my blood just starts to leak. Psychopaths tie me to a leash. Do not let me free. Y'all just see the other side of me. Let me free. All these demons taking over me. They just wanna see me go to sleep. Falling deep. I just see the darkness taking.
What's going on, guys? I'm Buddha and Xenon. So we're back with another reaction. Today we're back with our boy 917 Rackz X DottyFromBev. Is that how you say it? Bev?
Yeah, Bev.
And this was called Can't Stand the Rain. Shot by GoddyGoddy. Shout out to all of them, man. If you guys enjoyed this one, as always, drop a like. Click that subscribe button, man. We're so close to hitting 3,000, you feel me? We're like, I think we're about to hit like 700, like 2,700. So we're like 300 subs away, man. We could reach that easily. Help us out by clicking that sub. Other than that, let's go right into this. Let's get it.
Going live from the motherfucking hills, man. It's the big Dotty, not the little one. 27 shit, you transgress, we gonna step on it. I know how we rap it.
Hey, loud on the beat.
Rackz. Stepping on puddles full of pain like a boogie. Bitch, I cook crack, I don't bake cookies. Fuck a
Stepping on puddles like a boogie. Hold on, let me turn this up. Audio's low, bro. It can't be low.
boogie. Bitch, I cook crack, I don't bake cookies. Fuck a
I cook crack, I don't bake cookies, bro.
Stepping on puddles full of pain like a boogie. Bitch, I cook crack, I don't bake cookies. Fuck a cap, got the orders with me and the gang took me. Rackz. It's a creeper that's bullying inside of me, but I creep up with that on the side of me. Eat out with his knocks to iron me. Don't know which pill I'ma pop, got variety. I just walk on the strip, they iron me. I rock human races, don't fuck with society. Way too much people around me, that anxiety. Rackz. Way too much people rely on me. Going to pack finally. I'm stuck in the trap, they ain't finding me. Sipping that drink entirely. Rackz. You hear my lyrics, you read in my diary. My life. Make a movie, need parental advisory. Bitch, I'm the boss, ain't no firing me. Talk to me wrong on my fire at you.
Yeah, parental advisor. I can't even say it, bro. But you know what I'm talking about, bro. Shit. You already know.
Need some military shot.
Always had kicks, had to get some laces. Wipe it down, I don't leave traces. Niggas took my whole style and traced it. Free my niggas till they out them braces. Me and Rackz like Tariq and Brayton. Niggas touch little bro, I'ma spray him. Shots falling, he can take the rain. Taking perkies, I can take the pain. Now they pippin', they can take the name. Playing with me, he gon' take a bullet. How you let your mans die, you ain't pull it. You a goofy, I already knew it. No, I keep a shooter, I ain't gotta do it. Shooting out the Bentley, I don't gotta Buick. Teach him a lesson, thinking that I'm stupid. Play with gangsters, now he licking fluid. Smoke a nigga, then I'm smoking Zod. Bro, I just be chillin', shit be therapeutic. I'm still a big hat like I'm Jewish. That boy Medulla, toss it in the sewer. Daddy P put him in his place. I might spit a razor, cut him in his. You the reason that I caught a case. What's the reason you was talking to the J?
Try to learn the facts so they watch your face. Bitch, I got my mask, I can't show no face. I rock Gucci, I'm stepping on snakes. Bitch, I'm Gucci, I wasn't awake. Stop texting me, she a face.
Alright, bro. They coming in crazy with this one, man. I want Gucci, I'm stepping on snakes. Sheesh.
For the dick, she expecting me. It just means that been tripped, no one helping me. Don't you dare go touch my mind.
Think we playing if you play with mine. Niggas playing, I'ma lose my mind. Legend 40 spraying, it's gon' take his mind. I ain't trying to argue, I ain't got the time. I ain't really with the tip of tat. I'm just doing what my mother told me. If a nigga hit you, better hit him back. Making up these stories, I'ma get the Mac. Playing with his life, he can't get it back. Like it's born, I get him whacked. Full perky, I get him packed. Too long in the field, had to get a sack. Call my shooter like I'm proud of him. I mean, when you see him, hit him in his back. Fighting for his life, he can see the light. They said shooter white, thinking it was Rackz.
Stepping on puddles full of pain like a boogie. Bitch, I cook crack, I don't bake cookies. Fuck a cap, got the orders with me and the gang took me. Rackz. It's a creeper that's bullying inside of me, but I creep up with that on the side of me. Eat out with his knocks to iron me. Don't know which pill I'ma pop, got variety. Rackz.
Yo, Rackz went hard on this one, bro. I ain't even gonna cap. I think it's probably one of my favorite songs of his. I ain't even gonna lie. They both killed this shit, man.
Oh, yeah.
Damn. 917 Rackz, DottyFromBev, man. Y'all definitely gotta collab again, bro. Cause that shit was cold as fuck. Not only that, but the beat was cold as hell too, bro. But yeah, man, that's gonna be the end of that. Hey, what y'all thought about that one, guys? Let us know down below. That's definitely a 10 out of 10 for me. Definitely gonna share it in my playlist. But yeah, if y'all did enjoy, as always, drop a like, click that subscribe button, man. We'll see you next time. Peace out.